Hi everyone, myself Salim Khan. I am currently pursuing my BTech in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today we are going to discuss about what are the generics in Java. First, we will see about the introduction to generics in Java. Generics in Java allow you to create classes, interfaces, and methods that operate on a type parameter. They provide type safety by checking the types at compile time. Generics help us to reduce errors and make the code more readable and maintainable. Now we will see about what the benefits of using generics. Generics enable you to create reusable code that can work with different data types. They eliminate the need of typecasting, improving code clarity, and reducing errors. Using generics can lead to better performance as it avoids unnecessary object creation. As you see, the customer class given the data to the generics, object also give the data to the generics that we have the main string types like int, string, float. Now we will see about the declaring generic types. Generics are declared using angle brackets and type parameter inside the class, interface or method. You can use a single uppercase letter for the type parameters such as T, E, K, V, etc. The type parameters can be used through the class or method to represent specific type. Declaring generic class and interfaces. First, we will see the generic stack E list java.util.arraylist. It is an array list set of elements. Next one is a generic stack. It creates an empty stack. Get size int returns the number of elements in this stack. Peek returns the top element in this stack. Pop returns and remove the top element in this stack. Push add a new element to the top of the stack. Empty balloon returns true if the stack is empty. Using generics with collections. Generics are commonly used with collection in Java to specify the type of elements the collection can hold. For example, array list string specify that the array list can only contain string objects. This helps to catch type mismatches at compile time and avoid class cost exception at runtime. Generics in Java. Introduction about Java, compile time, type checking, avoid class cost exception, generic class interface method, bounded type parameters, wildcard characteristics, type of issues. Now we will see about the wildcards in generics. Wildcards allow you to work with unknown type in generics. The wildcard symbol represents an unknown type that can be any class. Wildcards are useful when you want to create more flexible and reusable code. As you see in the diagram, the object will receive these types of inputs. Now we will see about what are the generic methods. In addition to generic class, Java also supports generic methods. You can declare a method with its own type parameter that's independent of class type parameter. Generic method can be useful when you want to create methods that can work with multiple types. Type issue in generics. Java uses type issues to implement generics, which means that the type information is erased at compile time. This allows generics to be backward compatible with older version of Java. Type issue can sometimes lead to the limitations and restrictions when working with generics, like import Java until array list, import Java util.list, import java.util.stream, public class, public static void, like list string, special result is equal to generic challenge string get new array list dot new string. Stream object stream is equal to stream contact special result dot stream public static list dot add return public static extends. Now in the last it will return a list. Constraints in generics. You can impose constraints on the type parameters using the extend keyword. For example, T extends a number that specifies the type parameter T must be a subclass of that number. Constants help to restrict the types that can be used with generics, making the code more robust. Generic type constants. Constants are applied by using the where keyword. Here are some keywords like class my generic class, tyt is a class my generic class, yt is a subtract, class my generic class, yt is new, class my generic class, tyt is a enable. Now we will see about the generic classes versus raw types. It is recommended to use generic classes over raw types to take advantage of the type safety and avoid errors. Raw types, which are classes without type parameters, are less flexible, can lead to the runtime errors. By using generic classes, you can ensure that your code is more reliable and easier to maintain. Generic class and methods. A generic class or method is one whose definition uses a placeholder for one or more the types it works with. The placeholder is really a type parameter. For generic class, the actual type argument is specified when an object of the generic class is being instantiated. Best practice for using generics. Be consistent in your use of generics throughout your code base. Use meaningful type parameters names to improve code readability. Avoid using raw types and prefer generics to ensure type safety and maintainability. Generic Java generics best practice. Don't use raw types. Eliminate unchecked warnings. Prefer list to arrays. Favor generic types. Favor generic methods. Combine generics and wedges. Consider type safe or heterogeneous. As more you can go with the reference which is shown in the link. You can click the link and get more videos about the generics. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Please do like, share, and follow the page.